Okay, let's have a look at some of our number ones to 100. So you had a look at this on Tuesday. If the total is 100 and one part is 10, what is the other part? 90. Well done. If the total is 100 and one part is 20, what is the other part? 80. Well done. If the total is 100 and one part is 30, what's the other part? 70. Super. If the total is 100 and one part is 40, oh, that does not look like a 0. Let's try that again. What is the other part? 60. Well done. Okay. If the total is 100 and one part is 50, what's the other part? Well done, it's 50. If the total is 100 and one part is 60, what's the other part? Well done, it is 40. If the total is 100 and one part is 70, what's the other part? It's 30. Well done. If the total is 100 and one part is 80, what is the other part? 20. Well done. If the total is 100 and one part is 90, what's the other part? 10. Super. Okay, so now I want us to have a look at our addition and subtraction facts within these number bonds that we now know. So if we take the first one as an example, then we can have a go at writing out our fact families. So we know that 10 add 90 equals 100. That's the total, and these are the two parts. So we know if we add these two together, it's going to make 100. So 10 add 90 equals 100. We know that addition is commutative, so we know we can swap those two around. It doesn't matter which way round we add the numbers together with addition. So 10 add 90 equals 100, but also 90 add 10 equals 100. So let's write that down too. 90 add 10 equals 100. Okay, now let's start with 100 and see if we can take something away. If we've got 100 and we take away 10, what are we going to be left with? That's right, it's the other part, it's 90. So let's write that down. 100 take away 10 equals 90. Let's start with the total again, but this time let's take away the other number. Start with 100 and this time let's take away 90. What are we going to be left with? Well done, it's 10. So 100 take away 90 equals 10. Now it's your turn. I'd like you to write out all of the fact families for all of the cherry models that you came up with last lesson. Okay, so if you challenged yourself and you came up with other cherry models, so for example 28 add 72 equals 100, then you should do the fact families for those as well. But if you just stuck with the multiples of 10, so 10 and 90, 20 and 80, 30 and 70, etc., then just do the fact families for those ones. Can't wait to see what you do. Well done, everybody.